Hello and welcome back. In this video, you're going to learn how to assign a membership to a member's profile, as well as make any edits that you might need to on the person's membership. So first, I'm going to use the global search to find my member, and I'm going to open up their profile. The first thing that I'm going to do is check and make sure that they have a card on file. This is very important if you will be putting them on recurring memberships. Hopefully, your members will be purchasing the memberships themselves through the mobile app or the web integration, but you and your staff can do so as well on their profile. We have three options here to add credits to a person's profile without taking a charge. You can purchase a credit pack for the person as well. These are the pre-made class passes that you have created. The add membership are the full memberships, the single payment memberships or the recurring subscriptions. For Mary here, I will assign her the recurring subscription. As you notice, you can choose the start date of the recurring subscription to be either today or a date in the future. In this case, I am going to choose today. If your members are assigning themselves the memberships through the web integration or mobile app, the subscription will always be active from the day that they make the purchase. So only you, as the admin or the receptionist, can assign the membership to a date in the future. As you notice, the payment method defaults to the card because this is a recurring subscription, and I can now proceed with the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, you'll notice that the membership status has updated. And if we go back to the membership, we see now the current period starts and the next payment period. We can see as well in the transactions that a payment has taken place today. If the person is going on holiday or is potentially injures themselves, you can pause their subscription so that their next payment does not come out after the, in this case, month's time. If you needed to cancel the person's membership, you can do so by clicking on the cancel button. Once you cancel the membership and the subscription, the member's status will go back to a drop-in client. So if I wanted to add a future start date for Mary here on her subscription, I can do so. Let's say she wanted to make her first payment on January 14th. I can schedule that for January 14th. Once I proceed with this transaction, we'll notice that the current period starts on the 14th and the payment following that is the 14th of February. You'll notice as well that the subscription is paused. This is because technically the membership is not active until the 14th of January. If you intend to give Mary access now to book classes, you can edit the start date of the membership back to today. This is not going to charge Mary today. It's just going to give her access to be able to book. And the next pay period will be January 14th. I'm going to cancel Mary's membership and subscription as well. And I will assign her a credit pack. Purchase the credit pack and proceed with the transaction. As we can see now, again, her membership status has updated. And now on the membership tab, we can see that she has the 10 class pass, the 10 credits, and they are valid for a month. We can edit the expiry date on the person's credit pack after they have been assigned if you need to. You can change the number of the credits as well that they have. Also, you can delete the credits and the membership. Please note that if you do cancel the 10 class pass from the person's membership status, that does not automatically cancel or delete the credits that they have. So you do also need to make sure that you do remove the credits. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you assign a membership in Glofox and how to edit and cancel a person's membership if need be. See you on the next video.